There's a new code. Yeah, go to settings.
Ano?
Go to settings. You will see. You'll see. Go to
Settings.
go to settings, mommy. Press the one with the this thing.
Oh.
Swipe down. You'll see codes.
Ano?
And then type the thing.
Ha?
And then type it. Giant Pinecone.
Saan?
Giant Pinecone, go na. 55 million.
Saan?
This giant pinecone, get
55
it.
million? Man naman yun. Isa lang? Tapos, nasa na yun? Where's the settings? And then, dito?
Meteor.
Nasaan? Nasaan yun?
Press the settings.
Tapos,
The settings button. Scroll down. Type in the code.
ano naman ako matype?
What is that?
Ano? Ikaw mag-type. Ano ba?
No, I don't know the code. What happened? What happened? What happened now? And dinos are leaving. Why the dinos? Why the dinos? Why not the dinos? Why the dinos? Let's see. 51.8 million players. Awkward.
Bakit ang mahal ng carrot? Ay, bakit ang dami ng carrot?
No reason. Why?
Eh, why we should buy it? No
Wala
reason
lang.
then?
Yeah. Just in case it happens again.
Ha? No, parang gusto ko ikaw magpa. Okay, I understand yun. Pero mamaya, bakit naganda yung face ko po? What happened to my face?
What is this about?
Burning bug.
Giant Pinecone only for 4 Robux.
Very naman. Okay, ano?